Hello guys, this is Texayoni and in this video we will unbox my new Gear Outlander 4 backpack. So let's get started. I ordered it from Flipkart. The bag's actual cost is around 1800 rupees, but on offer and discounts I'll get around 1230 rupees, 1200. Yeah, this is the backpack with gear banding over here, and this is the silicone rubber padding. There are 3 reflectors over here. I don't know where it is. The gear banding. This is the charcoal grey color. In this variant you will get black color, charcoal grey and midnight blue color. On back side there is a mesh. It's a gold mesh for air ventilation. The pads also are very soft and very broad. This is the tag over here. These bags come with the strength, comfort, ease and ergonomic and shield. The bags comes with a 1-year warranty, and this is the bag's price, 1899 rupees. This is 36-liter bag and charcoal grey and yellow color. So take a look. The bag's chains are way too awesome. And this is a secret compartment for your bottle. You can hook your bottle over here. I'll show you how it is. Now we will see how it looks from inside. Let's open the chain. These chains are very smooth. Voila! This is the organizer. Around 15 kg you can carry weight on this bag. So I'll show you how it looks when you wear it. The pads are very, this cushion is very lavish and feels comfort, and it's not feel heavy. It's pretty light. I can hold it like this way. Okay guys, thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.